What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. But if you're new here though, my name is Hayes, veterinarian sneakerhead, hence the name, the shoe vet. Back again, once again, with my buddy here, Sneaks. Yes sir, how you been? We back in business. Today's video is gonna be a quick one. We're going over the latest Salehe Bembury collaboration with Crocs. Going over wow, you got these so fuzzy. Look at that, dude. You just got brushed. Goodness gracious. But yes, this is the Sasquatch iteration of it, and I'm going to it's a little weird to me because I feel like this guy right here is closer to a Sasquatch with his brownness and his furriness. I have absolutely no idea what black has to do with Sasquatch. I mean, even in the commercial, he's brown. So I'm a little bit confused on why it's triple black, but it is what it is. Let me go ahead and back up first. So we'll go over the box just very, very quickly. The box, if you see my previous video of the Salehe Bembury Tide, well, the box is completely the same. Cardboard box, flip open, you have the fingerprint, look at top. Sizing label on the side, I got mine in a size 8, but per standard protocol. We'll go over sizing later on in the video, okay? So one of the cool parts about the Salehe Bembury collaborations is that it is heavily inspired of like a fingerprint. You can definitely see like the swirls you'll see in the fingerprint on here. And of course I had to get this one because, well, it's triple black, all right? Triple black being a neutral, so these shoes can go with daggone near anything, okay? Of course, if you guys have ever worn a Croc before, you guys should know that the comfort is very, very high. A lot of people will wear these all day, especially if you're on vacation or sometimes even for work, depending on the type that you get, okay? There isn't really anything different between this one and the Tide, as I probably mentioned already, aside from the black colorway. Of course, you have a lot of perforations, so you can see your socks through these, mind you. Also, if you have smelly feet, that'll probably perforate too as well. So make sure you keep yourself right. And then yeah, this is a really good like general purpose shoe. You know, you can definitely style it and make these stick out, but I mean, with them being a triple black though, they blend in with so many different things, I'd imagine. So these right here are definitely a pickup if you guys did not get these. I would recommend, if you didn't cop for retail, I would recommend getting these for resale ASAP, because these do tend to kind of start to go up in prices. I want to say the originals, like the purple, white, and I think it was like a lime green. Maybe aside from the lime green, I want to say off of memory, those have been, I think those are probably like 3 or 4 times retail at this point in time as I'm making this video. I'll have to check afterwards, but really all I'm trying to say is these will likely go up over time. It's not gonna necessarily hit you over the head, but if you guys want them at a reasonable price, I would recommend getting them sooner than later. Jesus, you got so much, and you're gonna put more fur on there, aren't you? And that's what you're trying to do, ain't you? Goodness gracious. I guess probably if you have a brown rabbit, I mean, I guess you can theoretically rub him all over the shoe, and then it'll be more Sasquatchy. So that's something you guys can do. Or if you guys have a brown cat or a brown dog, yeah, just kind of rub it. Yeah, just kind of rub your pet all over the shoe. That'll definitely make it a little more Sasquatchy. But anyway, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you guys become a client. You do that in the description down below, as well as the notification bell, so you'll be notified next appointment. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. The handle is at drhayes91. Follow me there for more content. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next video.